Welcome to a new property tour. Today we are back in one of the most prestigious corners of Forte dei Marmi in Vittoria Apuana. We are in a residential heaven that combines the coastal beauty with the comforts of a modern high-tech lifestyle. Just 1 hour from Florence, 30 minutes from Pisa Airport, and within walking distance from the sea, this is one of Italy's most desirable addresses, highly sought after by international investors and celebrities. Here in one of the most prestigious corners of the Italian coast, I'm very excited to show to you this 4-level villa, completely renovated and spanning over 780 square meters, with generous interiors, high-end amenities and total privacy. Let's take a closer look inside. The villa offers 5 spacious bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, a spectacular double-height living room with arched windows and French doors that flood the space with natural light. A fully equipped open-space kitchen, a private wellness area complete with gym and spa, a scenic 1,350 square meters garden, a stunning swimming pool with electric cover and a solarium area. A beautiful veranda overlooking the garden with a comfortable outdoor kitchen. Every detail speaks of refined comfort designed for effortless indoor and outdoor living. The wellness area is a true retreat, featuring a modern gym, sauna and a relaxation zone worthy of a luxury resort. This villa is not only beautiful, it's smart. Equipped with the latest technologies, 18 kilowatt photovoltaic system with 15 kilowatt storage, underfloor heating and cooling, plus split systems, advanced home automation for lights and alarm, full video surveillance both indoor and outdoor, Wi-Fi amplifiers through the home, automatic irrigation and ambient garden lightings. A true oasis of innovation, comfort and design, this villa is available both for sale and summer rental in 2025. This is a rare opportunity to experience the true essence of the Tuscan luxury, whether for season or for a lifetime. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to learn more or schedule a private viewing, visit our website. See you soon. Ciao!